Hey guys, it's Alex and I'm back with 3 more winning products for you to sell on your dropshipping stores in April. I wouldn't share any products with you guys that I wouldn't personally sell myself, so I put in hours of product research last night to narrow it down to just these 3. These products are guaranteed to boost your sales all throughout April and the rest of spring 2023. Remember to drop a like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Without wasting any more time, let's go over these trending products. All right, spring 2023 winning products. And honestly guys, these should work for you the rest of spring, summer, and the coming quarters. So get to testing now. So the first product that I have for you guys to get started with is this Kids U Brush. You guys can see it in the lower right-hand corner down here. There's a ton of different shapes and options that your customers can choose from. But I said with April being National Oral Health Month, there will be a heightened focus on dental hygiene, and parents will be on the lookout for products that can help their children maintain healthy teeth and gums. The Kids U Brush is a top-rated product that has been designed with kids in mind, making brushing teeth fun and easy for children of all ages. This trending product is a must-have for parents around the world. So this product actually only costs $1.48 with free shipping on AliExpress. And you guys can go on to sell that for $49.99 for a profit of $48.51 per sale, or a 97% profit margin. This is another great product with great margins, and honestly this is a rare find in the dropshipping space. If you guys want to start off testing with Facebook ads, the 3 interests that I would start with would be kids, toothbrushing, and Nickelodeon. Those are 3 great interests to get started with. So right here I have 2 other stores that are currently already selling this product. So let's go ahead and take a look at what they're doing successfully and what we can improve on ourselves when we go to sell this product on our own stores. Alright, this is the same exact product branded under Auto Brush, except we have a slightly different design. So same idea, same product, all of that. They're selling theirs for $89, marked down from $121 for $32 off, but here's the catch. When you buy it for $89, you're actually buying it in a bundle. You guys can select the brush size based on your kid's age, their toothpaste flavor, and everything to do with that, but they're getting the kids bundle with auto refills. So they're actually subscribing to this product, and that's the catch of why they're getting it for so much lower. But I really like this right here for social proof. They have a review from a pediatric dentist. This is a really great toothbrush to get your kids on the routine of oral care. It makes it fun, it makes it exciting. So clinically proven to brush 20 times better than a manual toothbrush. More social proof right here. They have 14 reviews that we can look at in just a moment. Then they have a detailed description. They have a GIF over here of Meet the Founder and more information about the product. They have their FAQs listed right here. They have a description that you guys can pull down, how to use, brush head sizes, what's included, our cause, ingredients, high quality pictures of the product and the product in use. You may also like they have all of their other upsells. They have a chart showing the auto brush versus the manual toothbrushes versus the other knockoffs. How to use your auto brush, so they have some high quality GIFs right here of how to use it. So overall, this is a great, very detailed, very descriptive product page. Reviews posted at the bottom, a ton of social proof, very clean, very branded. They did a great job with this product page. I wouldn't change anything myself, and that's very rare for me to say. All right, moving over to Storehouse It. This is like the opposite end of the spectrum. This is absolutely horrible. So they have the Storehouse It Kids U-shaped toothbrush. Look at all of the variants they have down here. They have age/color, and they have like 20 different options to choose from, and you don't even know what you're selecting when you click on each one of these. So this is overcomplicated. This is a mess. This is going to deter customers, even if it's $15.98, marked down significantly from the last product page we saw. This is a terrible product page. Oh my god, they just threw way too much on there. They have trust badges all over the place. Too much product imagery that they obviously just took from AliExpress. They did a good job with the GIFs. I mean, I like those obviously, but there's a way to do it. You need to keep everything clean. You need to keep everything branded, and you need to tell a story going down your product page all throughout. This is just a mess. It's not visually appealing at all. It looks horrible. It's going to deter any potential customers, and they're not going to buy from you. They'll look up your product elsewhere and buy it from your easiest and closest competitor. All right, product number 2 is the laser hair removal tool. Now I feel like this product makes its rounds every single spring because it does, but with the impressive numbers that it's been hitting lately, I could not leave it off of this list, and it's definitely not saturated. Even though it seems like it, this product does great for many dropshippers every single year. So as the weather warms up and people start showing more skin, the demand for hair removal tools increases. That's pretty obvious. This is why spring is the perfect time for dropshippers to consider adding laser hair removal tools to their stores. Not only is it a popular and profitable niche, but laser hair removal is a safe and effective way to remove unwanted hair. With more people opting for at-home solutions, selling laser hair removal tools can be a lucrative opportunity for e-commerce entrepreneurs looking to capitalize on this trend. By adding this product to your store, you can cater to the growing demand for hair removal tools and offer your customers a high-quality solution to their hair removal needs. This product is $23.11 with free shipping on AliExpress. You guys are going to want to negotiate that down a little bit and see if you can get your own custom VIP links, because this is definitely a higher priced product, and the lower that you can get that pricing point, the higher you can increase your margins and the more profit you're going to make. You can go on to sell this product for $99.99 for a profit of $76.88 per sale and a profit margin of 77%. So another great product with great margins. If you guys want to start off testing this with Facebook ads, under each ad set, the interest I would start with would be beaches, date night, and personal care, just to start. So let's go ahead and take a look at another store that's currently selling this product and what they're doing right, and again, what we can improve on. All right, we have the Hey Silky Skin laser hair removal handset from Hey Silky Skin. We already got a pop-up right here collecting our name and email address for $10 off our first order, so I like that. I haven't seen any of those on any of these other stores we've gone over yet, so I already like that to start. They have 624 5-star reviews posted up here. They have high quality content under this image right here, as you guys can see the product in use, highlighting that it actually works for both genders, so you're increasing your customer demographics by showing that this product works for everyone. So they have their bullet points right here of some of the biggest benefits that you get from buying this product from them. They have all of their drop downs right here of what does it include, does it hurt, 90-day money-back guarantee, how to use it, worldwide shipping times. And they have a long, detailed description as you guys go down. They have many different GIFs right here that actually highlight the product, how it works, why you should use it, how safe it is, everything to do with that. They have before and afters, customer reviews. Here's all of their reviews plastered at the bottom of the page. Why choose Hey Silky Skin with another checkbox right there. More customer reviews highlighting their 90-day risk-free guarantee. And yeah, so they could clean this up a little bit, but honestly all of this right here from there on looks pretty good. Just the bottom of the page, it's a little bit cluttered right here, but honestly for the pricing point that they have, what are they selling it for? $99, marked down from $249. They have a decent description, but I would definitely go through, clean it up a little bit more, add a little bit more branding, and make it look a little more professional and branded under the Hey Silky Skin theme. All right, the third and final product that I have for you guys, parents will be lining up to thank you guys if you sell this on your own dropshipping stores. We have the chore checklist card that you can see in the lower right hand corner. So I said this interactive card is perfect for parents who are struggling to get their kids to do chores. With its easy to use movable switch, children can see their progress as they complete each task, making the chore experience more fun and rewarding. Not only will this product help parents keep their kids on track with their daily responsibilities, but it's also a great way to promote healthy habits and teach responsibility. So why not add this must-have item to your dropshipping store and give customers a product they will appreciate and use every single day. This product costs $4.19 with free shipping on AliExpress. Once again, I'm sure you can get that pricing point slightly lowered once you start negotiating and talking to suppliers. You can sell that product for $19.99 for a profit of $15.80 per sale, or a profit margin of 79%, another good profit margin for another great product. 3 interests that you guys would start off targeting on Facebook ads with would be kids, parenting, and family. So really quickly, let's go ahead and take a look at a store that's already successfully selling this product and what they're doing right. All right, so right here we have the My Chores checklist board from Funny. They seem to be a kids niche store. They sell kids products, all that type of stuff, toys, everything to do with that. So right here they have a picture of the product, some high quality imagery below of the product in use, all of that good stuff. They're selling it for my recommended $19.99, marked down from $29.99. They actually have upsells down here too, which is really cool. So buy 2, 15% off, buy 3, 20% off, buy 4, you get 25% off. So they have detailed description right here. There's not really much that goes into it. Size, shipping and returns. I mean, this is honestly a product that kind of sells itself, describes itself. I mean, what are you going to tell parents about a board that you just move over from check marks to X's based on the chores? I mean, it's self-descriptive. There's really not much you can do with this product. I mean, I would add a lot more pictures of kids, happy kids holding the chore chart or doing chores or whatever, kind of adding branding on and showing the product in use and convincing parents to buy it. They would envision their kids based on the product imagery that you have on there. But for a $20 product, I mean, you really don't have to go too descriptive with selling it. So this is a decent product description to start. I like the upsells. I like the pricing point and everything else. I would add more images, GIFs, show the product in use, more reasons of why a parent would want this, facts about, responsibility or, what you should be teaching your kid, or like what chores contribute to, your child's development, stuff like that. I mean, you guys can be creative. We have so many tools at our disposal now. You guys can use ChatGPT to literally go through and write all of this for you. You guys don't have to write any of this. Just copy paste from some similar stores or use ChatGPT yourself. Upload these 3 products to your Shopify dropshipping stores today and watch how fast they skyrocket your sales. If you want products just like these delivered straight to your inbox, then remember to sign up for our winning product notifications link down below. And if this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next one.